Hello everyone. Today I'm going to reveal something that directly affects your wallet, but few people really understand. The behind the scenes of central banks and how they shape our economy. Have you ever wondered why sometimes it's easier or harder to get a loan? Or why the payments on your home mortgage can suddenly change? The answer lies in the decisions made within the halls of central banks. Imagine the central bank as the conductor of a great economic orchestra. Each instrument represents a sector of the economy, and the conductor must ensure that everyone plays in harmony. The main baton of this maestro? Interest rates. When the economy is growing too fast and prices start rising too much, the central bank raises interest rates. It's like hitting the brakes on a speeding car. This makes loans more expensive, causing people and businesses to spend less, which helps control inflation. On the other hand, when the economy is slowing down or nearly stalling, the central bank cuts interest rates. It's like giving the car a little push to get it moving again. With lower interest rates, borrowing becomes easier, stimulating consumption and investment. But here's something few people know. Central banks must be independent to do their job properly. It's like a referee in a soccer match. They need to be impartial to make the right decisions without pressure from the teams or the crowd. And why is that so important? Because when a central bank suffers political interference, decisions can be made with short-term goals in mind, focused on the next few months, not on what's best for the economy in the long run. Let me give you a practical example. Imagine you're on a diet. The central bank would be like a nutritionist, helping you maintain balance. Sometimes they need to be strict, cutting some foods, raising interest rates, and other times more flexible, lowering interest rates. The important thing is to keep the system healthy, in this case the economy. And it's not just in Brazil. Central banks around the world operate similarly, like a network of conductors coordinating their orchestras. When one of them makes a big move, the others need to adjust their scores to maintain global harmony. The Federal Reserve in the United States, the European Central Bank, the Bank of Japan, they all use the same tools to keep their economies running smoothly. It's complex work that requires deep knowledge and experience. But here's the most interesting part. The decisions made by central banks directly affect your everyday life. When you finance a car, take out a personal loan, or even use your credit card, the interest you pay is directly related to central bank decisions. That's why it's so important to understand how this system works. The more you know about it, the better you can plan your finances and make smarter decisions with your money. And remember, there's no such thing as a perfect decision in economics. Central banks are constantly working to find the ideal balance between economic growth and price stability. It's like walking a tightrope. It requires great care and constant attention. If you found this content interesting and want to learn more about economics in a simple and easy to understand way, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who are also curious about this topic. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video with more content about economics and finance for you. Take care.